I know you want to make sure your bike gets someone that takes care of it, so I'm just going to give you a quick rundown on what I do for some simple bike maintenance after a couple of hard days of riding. Usually what I quickly do is just give it a quick rinse down, not too bad because I don't want to get water where I'm not supposed to. So we're just going to get started on that real quick. Now that we got that done, we're going to head inside and take a look at the chain and the sprocket system. So what I like to do is start with a good degreaser so I can get all the grime off. And of course when I do this, I'm going to spray it down this direction to keep it off my calipers and my disc brake. So let's start and do that real quick. Looks like you got a nice even coat on it. So I'm going to take the junk rag here, and I'm just going to try to get the excess off of it. Now that we got the degreaser done, of course I'm going to follow up with some good lubricant. And just like last time, we're going to make sure to get the excess off. And usually I like to run through the gears a few times, just to kind of get on the sprocket. Hey Seth, I'm going to show you a few of the small things I've done to keep this bike up and going over the past year. One of the major things I did was have this front fork readjusted. When I first bought it, the last guy that owned it weighed about 185 pounds, which was way too much for me. So I had to get the rebound and the air pressure set inside of it. And I would say the second most important thing was I had both my tires trued up so they were nice and balanced. And then I went ahead and added small things like end caps to the handlebars, which is more of the safety aspect, to things as small as teeth on the pedals to keep my grip down, and even making my own chain guard here. And anything that I can't do on my own, I'm more than willing to go into my local bike shop and getting it done by a professional. And not only that, I don't mind supporting a local bike shop or two.